Father, what is troubling you? You look worried. What is troubling the great Igede? Father, please talk to me.
I shall speak no further. Fetch Olamma, your sister, for me.
Very well, the great Igede. My beautiful sister, the most beautiful goddess, I greet you.
Eche, you're full of my praises this afternoon. What do you want?
The great Igede demands your presence.
I'll be right back.
Let's continue.
Father, you sent for me. You look troubled. What troubles the great Igede?
Olamma, he is in trouble.
He's in trouble. Who is in trouble? I don't understand.
The young man who saved you from the human world several seasons ago.
Oh, Ugo?
He is indeed in trouble.
Oh, Father, please. Father, please don't let anything happen to him. Don't let them hurt him, please.
I have already decided that I am going to help him.
Okay.
There is a bond that started to exist between you both from the very moment he saved you. You have to go to him. You have to be with him. I can only save him, but that must be through you.
Very well, Father. I will do whatever it takes to save him.
Olamma, this is our boundary with the human world. And this is where I am going to leave you to continue on the rest of the journey. I know you are not going to forget all I have taught you as a goddess.
Yes, Father. I won't.
Always remember, fall back to me if you encounter any problem. And you know I will always be here to guide and protect you. Step forward.
Look at how beautiful you all look. I am very happy to have this beautiful family. Look at my two handsome brothers with their beautiful wives beside them. You're looking so gorgeous. So elegant. I wish it was possible for us to have more than one king in this kingdom. It would have been so sweet because you both look like a king and you have the attributes of a king. You know, when I realize that I have people like you by my side, I feel on top because nobody can challenge me.
Oh my God! Snake! Snake! Kill it now! And you should kill it! Kill the snake now! Kill it! Snake! Snake! My prince! My prince! Oh my God! Kill it! Kill it now! Kill it! Kill it! My prince! I saw it! It's very big!
What? You saw what?
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry. I saw it on the throne. A very big snake. Ah! On the throne.
Snake?
It's very big. On the throne. I saw it.
Snake on the throne?
Yes, it's very big.
We have to
very
go.
big.
Yeah.
Kill it now, kill it. What? Snake! Snake! What's going on? What are you doing? Stop it! Stop it!
What are you trying to do?
Now?
That thing is a snake and it's very dangerous.
It's just a harmless snake. And I'm not afraid of it because it is for peace. Olama, what is it? Do you want to die? Are you not scared? There is nothing to be scared of. Yes! Yes! Remove that snake from there! The snake will only harm you if you are not clean. Most times, they come to pass a message.
That will be in another kingdom and not in this kingdom. Because we do not worship snake here. So God, remove that snake on my father's throne!
Don't touch it. Stop it. You guys stop! What are you doing? Stop! Get that snake out of my father's throne!
You came... Take the back of the throne if it is there! Take the back of the throne!
What the quevo? What the quevo? I don't know. Hey! 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 I don't know.
My sister. How can a snake appear on the throne just like that and disappear?
I don't know.
That was very mysterious.
I'm telling you, I've been trying so hard to solve this mystery behind a snake appearing on the throne. I swear by the gods, this is not ordinary. It is not. And there is more to it. There is more to it.
Oh, yeah?
There is more to it. And it's not an ordinary snake. If Lukawara. Hey! Look, like Olama said, this snake has come to pass a message. And a man there.
It's okay, people.
I will not be
exactly. Considering the way it vanished in front of everybody.
Oh,
wonder shall never end.
Wait. So you would have touched that snake if I had not stopped you?
There was nothing wrong with it. It's just a harmless creature.
You amaze me. Where did you get in mind from? Nkem.
I want to ease myself and first. I'll be right back, okay?
Nkem.
Your Majesty, what do we call this? Snake on the royal stool?
Oh no, I'm as surprised as you are. Eh? What happened?
Lolo.
My king.
Snake on the royal throne.
Snake?
Yes. The gods be praised. Ezemo is here. Ezemo. A snake on the royal stool of Ukpolo Kingdom. Please, what do we call this?
There's no cause for alarm, my king. The snake mean no harm. Rather, a sign of consolidation of him that comes after you.
After me?
Yes, my king. He is your offspring. He shall be great and mighty, for he has found favor in the sight of the snake goddess.
Ezemo. The king has only 2 sons, born on the same day. Which of them are you talking about?
That I cannot say, but in due time, the gods shall reveal. I take my leave.
Lolo, Your Majesty.
that mortals can kill does not mean they are going to kill the one who is under the protection of the gods. Ugochukwu is like a son to me, and permanently, he is under my protection. If they come against him from the left, he is going to escape from the right. And if they come against him from the right, he is going to escape from the left. And if they shall come against him from everywhere, he is going to develop wings like an eagle and fly away. Sing. Got it. And I am sending everything, all your plans, back to the sender.
Father.
Beautiful daughter of mine.
You're already here. Father, I was coming to seek your advice.
You don't need to come seeking for my advice because you are equipped to succeed in that world.
Father, things have gotten so bad that I don't think...
Speak no more. I need you to go back and continue the wonderful work you are already doing. And I want you to understand it. That failure is not registered anywhere in your blood. Step forward.
Nah, everything.
Don't want. Do?
What is it? Huh? Who is after you? Ogene! Sorry. What now? Olama. Snake. Olama. What do you mean?
I saw Olama. I saw Princess Olama walking towards that bush party. I noticed her movement was suspicious. So I followed her.
Why you?
So I followed her. You know what she's up to? She got to a tree and hid behind it. When I moved closer to the tree, I didn't see her again. Immediately I turned. I saw a very big snake standing erect before me. Very big.
Chimo, another snake?
Yes. Exactly the same snake that appeared on the tree.
Yes. What could this snake be looking for?
You are asking me. I used to...
Greetings, Princess Olama. Oh no, greetings. Adikonama. Shut up! Was it not the same person you said you saw in the big tree? Huh? Shut up! If not again, I'm going to have to boo you. Look, don't ever involve me in your discussion again. I want to get I go to get a pop
to get one more.
Timo.
Timo, you go. Tell him more. Wait for me.
Okay, stop. Just stop. Stop.
Tell me why I should stop.
Stop. You put me in the mood.
Well, that is what I hope to achieve by putting you in the mood so we can, you know now.
Not now. Not now.
When then?
Okay. I want to remain a virgin until that fateful day you're pronounced the crown prince. I want it to be a special gift on that fateful night. Is it not more honorable that way?
That is a very beautiful idea.
Good.
I've never thought towards that.
That's why you have me. To think for you.
Anya ụtụtụ.
Ugo.
Oji ugo a na-awalụ ndị eze.
O si na nwata bụla eze.
Ọla m.
Di m ọma.
Ọla mma m. Ọla nwa m. Ọla nnukwu ọla m. Ọla asanje mọnụ. Ọla ugo dị ya anyị. Ọla.
Ugo, ezigbo di m ọma, ugo m ji m ọnụ, ugo m ji je mba, ugo.
Ọla njeku, ọla dị na-asa nke m, ọla asa mpete nwanyị ọma, ọla. You are so brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
So I wait.
Yes, we'll wait. So, let's go. Before someone sees it.
Sit with me.
The Ezemo just left the palace. And he said that your father, the king, will announce the heir apparent to the throne soon.
That is good to hear.
Good to hear. Henceforth, you have to start carrying yourself as a king. Do you understand what I'm saying? You have to start behaving like a king in waiting. Because I know you are the one the king will announce.
Mother, how are you sure the king will announce me? Because he hasn't said anything about who is senior between Ugochukwu and I.
Son, I forbid you from saying what you just said. Even Ugochukwu's late mother knew you are the first son of the king. Like I said earlier, you have to start carrying yourself as a king. You must carry yourself as a king. Even Ugochukwu and his wife have started rehearsing songs. So I don't know about you and you.
Mother is right. I overheard them singing. Very well then, we shall see. My husband must sit on that throne no matter what.
Inoge? Inonya?
Mother, you have spoken well.
Thank you.
And I promise to heed your words. Thank you for calling my attention to this. For I am His Royal Majesty. Egwundeze one, Namangu Kingdom. Jamumamiri one.
That's the spirit. That is the son of his mother talking. Egwundeze.
stop there. One more step from you, I'll make sure your head is separated from your shoulders.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Come here. How dare you? Huh? How dare you walk past me without greeting?
I'm sorry, my prince.
The next time you walk past me without greeting me properly, I will make sure that I banish you and your entire family off this village. Have I made myself clear?
Come on, brother. She greeted everyone while she was passing.
Hey, do not talk when I'm talking. And as for you, fool, greet me properly.
May you live long, your majesty.
Now you're talking.
I was just passing on my own. I saw them and I decided to greet them. He said I did not greet him. And he slapped me.
Which of the prince did that to you?
Who else? Prince Egu. I knew it. Why is he that wicked? Why would he slap you like that?
That prince, I hate him, eh? I pray that the gods will not allow him to be the chosen one.
I heard the two princes were born at the same time. They don't know which one is older than the other.
Nkechi, I'm so sorry. Do you hear me? Sorry, oh, okay. Sorry.
For this slap he gave me, he will never ascend the throne.
He say...
He will not, he doesn't deserve that throne.
Yeah?
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
I'm sorry, yeah?
Oh, yeah, now. Alright. Why are they this wicked? Especially that prince. I don't like him either.
Obim, what was the meaning of that melodrama that happened out there?
What melodrama?
Hey? Don't tell me you don't remember what just happened out there. Your brother shunned you when you tried to put him through. And he was bragging to be the next king of this kingdom. Or is it the heir apparent to the throne?
Kim, why are you bothered about that? Our father, the king, has not decided who amongst us is going to succeed him.
But he was bragging as if he was so sure that he would be the one to succeed your father.
Only him knows where he got that ego from.
I still think you should try and find out if your father in any way pronounced him the next heir to the throne.
Not at all. As a matter of fact, none of us knows who will succeed our father. Kim, please don't let this bother you. Because it means nothing to me. It is the gods that decides, not even our father.
Anyway, if that's how you feel, it's okay. So, on a lighter note, let me go and make you your dinner.
Kim, don't bother about that. The cook knows what to do.
What?
She will prepare my meal.
No. I already told you that I like preparing your meals. For reasons best known to me. I like preparing your meals. I will go right now and make your meal.
Very well then. You can go ahead.
Alright. See you soon.
I'm listening.
All right, mother. I heard that the tortoise is a very wise animal.
Mother. Oh, my mother.
Son.
Mother, you needed to see what happened today.
What happened?
You needed to see the way I showed off as the king in the making. Mother, there was this maiden that was passing by, and she didn't greet me properly as the heir apparent. I made her do it the hard way. Even Ugochukwu tried talking to me, and I shunned him as the king.
So, what was his reaction?
Mother, he didn't say anything. Actually, he respected himself because I was ready to give it to him there.
Of course, he shouldn't have said anything because he knows the truth.
Of course, Mother.
Mm-hmm.
That is the truth. As I was saying, Mother, there was this maiden that was passing by. I called her back and I gave her the insult of her life. I told her that the next time she walked past me without greeting me properly, that I'm going to banish her and her entire family of this kingdom. Did you know what she said? Greetings, Your Majesty.
Odogunwam. Eh? Egwu ndị eze nke izizi.
Amụma mmiri.
Indeed, you are the king in waiting.
Mother, you said my husband is going to be the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom.
My son is the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom. Or does anyone have a problem with it?
Mother, I overheard Olama asking her husband if truly my husband is the next king of this kingdom. And then her husband said he doesn't know where my husband got this from, where all of this is coming from. And then the king has not decided who will be the heir apparent to the kingdom.
The truth is that your husband and Ugochukwu were born the same day, the same time, the same hour, the same everything. So nobody can actually say this person is older than the other one. But the truth is, I am the first wife of the king, and automatically my son becomes the heir apparent to the throne of the kingdom.
Very well then. Now I have peace of mind. I'm relaxed.
Odogunwam.
Egundeze.
Nke izizi.
Amụma mmiri.
Nke izizi. Odogwu ka ịbụ nwa m. Your Majesty, you sent for us.
Yes, it shall be well with you. I want everyone here to listen and listen good. I have noticed a lot of things has been going wrong in this palace for the past days now. And I want you to stop and stop immediately.
Father, what is it? You have me as your warrior son. And I will tackle anything that bothers my father, the AEC one of Ologun. Talk to us. What is the problem?
Yes. I have been noticing the cold war between you and your brother Ugochukwu about who becomes the heir apparent of this great kingdom. Now I want to make it clear about who become my successor.
Your Majesty, you have a warrior son who has been building himself for this exercise. I'm sure he will make a wonderful king. And the whole...
Keep quiet. Now everybody listen. I have not chosen who become the heir apparent of this great kingdom. It will be announced by the chief priest on my 4th Ofala Eve, which is next month. Both of you, we are born the same day, the same minute, and the same hour. Now you have seen it all. Nobody can tell between both of you who is older, except the gods, because they have their own way of deciding.
But Your Majesty, as the first wife, my son should be the crown prince.
Watch your mouth, woman. Being the first wife of this great kingdom don't have anything to do with this matter. Like I said, the heir apparent of this great kingdom will be announced by the chief priest on the eve of my Ofala day. I don't want to discuss about this matter again. This meeting is over.
Your Majesty, please.
Leave. I want to be left alone.
Thank you, Father.
I said lift. Leave.
Yes. Everyone has known their stand. No one knows who will be the heir apparent to the throne, just like I told you.
Exactly. Your brother's ego as the king to be has been put to rest. But Obim, did you see the desperation in his eyes?
Okay. What do you expect from a man who was misinformed? He was acting based on the information his mother gave him, so don't blame him.
Those people are dangerous. They don't mean well for you. They are your enemies. You need to be very careful with them.
Okay, they cannot be my enemies just because of the throne. They are my family.
Why are you defending them? Those people don't take you the way you take them. You need to be very careful.
Okay, there is nothing to be careful of. They cannot harm me.
Do you think I'm joking?
Nkem, you have nothing to worry about. We are one family.
I will not contest my throne with anybody. Mother, the throne is mine. And mine alone. I am the first son of the first wife. That makes the throne mine, mother. Am I not right?
Very so, my son. You're very correct. You are the heir apparent to the throne, whether your father, the king, likes it or not.
Mother, I think the king is not fair with his judgments. Because it's obvious that he loves Prince Ugo. Prince Ugo is his favorite. That's why he got biased with his judgments.
One thing I will not do is to sit down and watch someone take something that rightfully belongs to my son. Ugochukwu will not take that position the way his mother took my husband from me. It's not possible.
From the look of things, the king will definitely make Prince Ugo the heir apparent. So we need to act fast. We have to do something about it.
Mother, what are we going to do? Because we cannot afford to lose that throne.
All I can see is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself an evil. What you see in your mind every day is wicked. To Tibuo, Tibuo, he will not see tomorrow. I don't want him to leave. Tibuo, Tibuo, he will not see tomorrow.
Greetings, my husband.
Greetings, my beautiful wife. You're welcome to my heart.
Thank you. My husband, I made food for you. Your favorites. I know you will love it. I specially prepared this for you.
That is very thoughtful of you. Thank you very much for this kindness.
It's nothing. It's nothing. We are one family. You know that. I love you, my husband. Let me get your water for you.
May the gods bless you.
This is your water. My husband, please enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, my husband.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Masere.
Yo.
Ezibunye wanne nwoke.
Hey, my husband.
A woman with a good heart. Thank you.
Look, this food is specially for you. I made it with all my heart. Enjoy yourself. I'll take my leave. That is it.
Hi.
Hi. Enjoy your meal, my husband.
Thank you.
All right.
Hey. Nice. Income! Give me water!
What is it? What did you eat?
Masere! Masere! She brought me food!
It's okay. Obim. Obim. No. Obim. 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 Obim, wait. No. 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 Obim, wake up. Wake up. Obim! Obim! Ah! Obim! Obim! No! No! Ah! I'm not sorry! Ah! Obim! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Maseri! My husband! Obim! Obim!
Nkem.
Obim!
Nkem, what is it? Why are you shouting?
I just had a terrible dream.
Dream?
Yes.
What is it all about? Please, come and sit. Please tell me what the dream is all about.
Masiri poisoned your food. And you ate it. And died. And all of a sudden, she started jubilating with her husband.
May the gods forbid. Nkem, that was just a dream and nothing more. Dreams are most times a result of extravagant information. Maybe because you feel unsafe and uncomfortable with them, and that is why you are having these dreams.
No, Bim. That was not just a dream. It is more like a vision. My dreams are infallible, and it must come to pass. Obim, stop doubting the reality of this dream. The The dream says it all. These people are very dangerous and they are planning to kill you.
Nkem, stop! Stop! Stop trying to sow this bad seed in my heart against my own brother. Do you want me to start seeing them as my enemies?
They are your enemies. Except the princess. Have it at the back of your mind. Because of your life. I don't want to lose you.
Nkem, you are not going to lose me. Please, for now, can we end this conversation?
Why are you not listening to me?
I am not going to listen to you because it is not going to happen. These people are my family.
Go to Prince Ugochukwu's hut. Tell him the Queen Mother seeks his attention right now.
Yes, my princess.
Go immediately! Where are you going? Come here! Why are you acting confused? Go to his hut!
All I can see.
Just imagine how stupid she is.
All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself.
My love.
Yes.
Do you know why I love you so much?
No. Tell me, my king.
After I lost my beloved mother to the cold hands of death, nobody has filled the vacuum her death created like you did. I wonder what my life would have become without you. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me.
I always call you the king of my heart. Because you rule my world. You are the light that shines in my world. I couldn't have asked for silver, gold, or even diamond. Because you're better than them all.
Kim. Kim.
Greetings. Greetings.
Greetings, Mbweke.
My prince, the Queen Mother sent for you.
Very well. Tell her that I will be with her shortly.
Very well, my prince.
Obim, are you going to see the Queen?
Yes, she sent for me. I have to go and know why she wants to see me.
I am not comfortable with you going there.
Kim.
That woman is evil.
Kim, you've started. I've warned you to be careful of this bad seed you are trying to sow in my family.
Me? Sow a bad seed in your family? So I'm now the bad person. Okay, no problem.
Kim, that is not what I'm saying. I'm just trying to tell you to be mindful of the words you use. There is power in spoken words.
You're a man. Suit yourself.
Come with me, my love.
No, I'm not coming.
My love, why are you behaving like this?
I said go. I'm not coming with you.
Very well then. I will go alone. And I will be back shortly.
Just be careful.
I will.
My brother.
My brother.
You have your seat.
Thank you. Mother.
Son.
You sent for me.
Yes, I did. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit.
All right, ma.
Your brother told me how he spoke to you the other day and I did not like it. So I called you to apologize to you and for both of you to make peace.
Brother, I'm really sorry for the way I spoke to you. Forgive me.
I have already forgotten about everything.
Oh.
Yes.
You have a beautiful heart.
Indeed.
Well, I prepared something for both of you to eat and make peace while I go to the palace.
Thank you, mother.
Prince Ugo, Obi, let me go and get the palm wine.
Very well. Go fast.
Okay, I'll be
I
right
want to
back.
entertain my brother. My only brother.
Yes.
Oh, my brother. Get hurry.
Oh, my husband. Check. My husband. This is for you, please.
Thank you, Omasiri.
You're welcome.
That's the way I like it.
My favorite.
My prince, you can eat. It's all yours.
Thank you.
Oh, my husband. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
My prince, it's all for you.
Don't go close! Kill the snake! Shoot! Kill!
Mother,
What happened?
did you see any snake?
Which snake? No, snake. No, I heard some noise from the palace.
Yes.
What happened?
Mother, we were about eating. Before we knew it, a snake appeared here. The same snake!
Appeared?
Yes!
What are we going to call this now?
Mother, this is the second time that same snake keeps appearing and disappearing. We don't know what it is.
What does that snake represent?
The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. Obim, I want to see you now.
All I can see is wickedness.
Excuse me, please.
All I can see is evil mind.
The ways of the gods are not the ways of man.
I don't care what it means. I don't care what that snake represents. The next time I see this snake here, I'm going to shoot it to shreds.
Obim, calm down, please. Please.
Why did you not shoot it when you saw it?
What is this sudden appearance of snake in the palace again, eh? It's your Johnny. This is the second time of that. What is this snake even looking for? That snake is not at all. I'll be so good. That is your son. She's not at all. I can continue with her. Hi! Yes. Are you trying to say Olama is a snake? Yes, me too! I think so. Going by what I told you. You can't be too sure. You can't be too sure. Are you not smart enough? Can't you see the way she walked into the palace immediately to sleep? Do you believe me now? You might be right though. Yeah, you might be right. But Olama, she looks harmless and friendly. And that makes it difficult for me to believe you. Looking harmless and friendly has nothing to do with it. There is something serious about her. Leave me alone. There is something serious about her. Yes. Oh, there is something. Look, you're taking this too far. Oh. You're taking this too far. Look, look at me. I come there. Open there. Oh, solo. This is your gossip. And I am not involved though in this discussion. A full of one. Asele anakoe. Asele. Stay here. Asele every time you're talking. I know what I saw. Yes, man, she's a snake.
Nkem, why did you call me out?
I heard noise. Why were you people shouting? And you? You look worried. Is anything the matter?
I was just about eating with my brother. And that same snake that showed up at the throne room showed up again.
That's a bad omen.
Yes! And I keep wondering why this same snake keeps showing up.
The snake is not a bad snake. The snake came to rescue you.
Snake came to rescue me? How do you mean?
You're very stubborn. I keep telling you that those people are not good people. They are evil.
Can you go straight to the point and stop beating around the bush?
Is it not obvious that there was something wrong with the food you were about to eat? Or you want me to tell you that there was poison in the food you were about to eat so that you accuse me of sowing a bad seed in your heart?
Okay, are you trying to tell me that my food was poisoned?
I did not say your food was poisoned. Use your tongue to count your teeth.
You are just unbelievable.
Why is he so stubborn? Why does he not listen to me?
Mother, are we going to sit and watch Prince Ugochukwu take victory home?
Of course not. We are not going to relent. We will do everything in our power to make sure we bring him down.
Does any of you have any plan?
Yes, mother. I have a plan.
Okay.
When an antelope decides to change its running style, the hunter also will change his shooting pattern.
All I can
So what's the plan all about?
is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself an evil. What you see in your mind every day is wicked.
As you can see, this is where I kill my victims. Once I bring them to this place, I roll it up roll it up like this. Once this is done, I try as much as I can to play my victim to this point. And once that my victim is standing around this place, I'll have no other option than to push the victim into this hole, filled with dangerous weapons. And instantly, the person will die because none of my victims has ever fallen into this pit and come out alive. The person dies instantly.
That's good. I shall come with my brother tomorrow.
It's alright. Once you can be able to bring your brother to this place, leave the rest for me. Because I'll try my best to make sure I push him into this hole.
That's a good plot. After this deal is done, you shall have your remaining balance.
Thank you, my prince. One more thing. Please, my prince, do ensure that you come to this place tomorrow with your brother without the guards. Because that is the only way we can be able to make this a secret.
That will be impossible. Because it will look suspicious telling my brother to escort me to your place without the guards.
What do we do then? Because with the presence of the guards around us, we cannot be able to make this assignment a secret.
Then I'll tell them to wait outside.
That sounds so funny, my prince. After this deal is done, you and I know that your brother will be gone. What will you tell them that happened to your brother?
I will kill them all before I leave this place.
Except that. In that case, consider it done.
I shall see you tomorrow.
Farewell, my prince.
May the gods save the powerless. May the gods save the powerless. We need an angel that will save us from evil hands. From evil hands. Obodo no nebu. The python. Obodo no nambari. The snake is here.
Obim. Why are you not listening to me? Eh? I know what I'm saying, oh. You have to be careful of these people.
Greetings, my brother.
My good brother, Egu. What brought you to my heart? Please, sit with us.
No, I don't have more to say. Actually, I'm here for you to accompany me to go see my friend, Obidiozo. He's going through so much pain at the moment.
I hope all is well.
All is well by the gods. It's just that his wife ran away with his children.
Ah, gods of our land. Why?
For no reason.
This is not a good story. So has he gone to her father's house to search for her?
My brother, he has searched for her everywhere. But she's nowhere to be found. That is why I'm here. For you to accompany me to go sympathize with him.
There is no problem about that. So when do you want us to go?
Tomorrow will be fine.
Very well then. Tomorrow I shall come with you.
That's my brother. Thank you.
Thanks be to the gods.
I shall take my leave now.
It's alright. My brother Egu. Okay. Nnukwu mmadụ.
Obim. Obim. I don't trust this movement. I'm still telling you to be careful of these people. They are evil.
Quiet. Just keep quiet.
Obim, how did it go?
Did he accept to go with you?
Of course, he accepted to go with me.
Good one. He will not escape this time around.
Son, do not leave any trace.
I won't, mother.
Yes, I cannot wait to hear about his end. He's just a thorn in our flesh.
He is a threat to our future. But his end has come.
All I can see is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate.
No! No!
Nkem!
No.
Nkem! Is everything alright?
Obim, I beg you in the name of the gods, stay away from your brother. I smell doom in your path.
Kim, why are you always worried for nothing?
I'm not worried for nothing. His heart is evil. He does not mean well for you.
I don't understand why you hate these people so much. What wrong have they done to you?
I don't hate them. I am not comfortable with the way their heart is against you. I'm only worried for your life. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Kim, nothing will happen to me. Alright? I can take care of myself. Kim. Kim, why are you behaving this way?
I don't want you to go anywhere with your brother. He doesn't mean well for you.
Alright. Even if my brother has an evil plan against me, how would he be able to carry it out while we are with the guards? Because we are going with the guards.
Even at that, the guards cannot stop him.
My love, you don't have any proof that my brother has an evil plan against me. I hope you know that. Just let these thoughts out of your mind. Alright? I can take care of myself. Nothing will happen to me. I have to be with my brother now because he's waiting for me. Please be good. I'll be back shortly.
May the God save the powerless. May the God save the powerless. We need an angel that will save us from evil hands. From evil hands. Obodo no the python. Obodo no the snake is here.
My brother, I'm sorry for delaying you.
It's okay, brother. Can we go now?
Yes, of course. Let's go.
The snake is here again. Ooh, the snake. May the land of the spirit give us help in this world.
That which is mightier than Nte has entered into Nte's hole is not a reason for Nte to put up a resistance. Wherever you are, wherever you are firing from, show yourself. Reveal yourself to me. No. No! Sing! Sing!
My brother,
Prince Egu.
Obidiozo.
My prince, welcome once again.
You know you're my very good friend. Me and my brother came here to spend some good time with you. Especially now that your wife has left you.
Once again, I really appreciate. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
You know, since my wife left my hut, it has been me and me alone doing all the domestic activities. I go to the farm, I do the washing, I do the cooking, I do the cleaning all by myself. It hasn't been easy. For you, my wonderful friend, to remember me, I really appreciate.
You're welcome.
Prince Ugo, to be sincere with you, I'm very happy to have you around. You know, this is your first time of visiting my place. So, please, would you mind have a seat while I run around and get a seat for Prince Egu to sit on?
Very well.
You're welcome, my friend.
Speak! Hey! Speak!
My prince, help me! Somebody help me!
Of our land. Hey, I can't see there.
What is this? I don't know. It's snake. Snake. It was here. Where? It was here. It was here. Let us go. Hey. Let's go.
He was about to sit on that chair. Before I knew it, that same snake appeared, sitting on that chair. And we all ran helter-skelter.
What? What is the meaning of that snake? Where did it come from?
Why is it always appearing each time you want to strike?
Mother, that is the mystery that I have been trying so hard to unravel. I don't understand.
Does it mean that he is spiritually powerful? Because I don't understand why that same snake will appear when it is time to strike him. Why?
I grew up with Ugochukwu. If there is anything strange about him, I would have known.
Well, powers can come to a man at any time. Who knows, maybe he has prepared himself because of the throne. Or just to bias the king's judgment.
Mother, Obim, this is not the time to give up. Not at all. We have to do something about it because we cannot stand the risk of losing that throne. It's not going to be possible. No!
Ah! I was this close! Mother!
The snake is here. The python. The snake.
So my king, how did your journey with your brother go?
The same snake again. The same snake appeared on the seat I was supposed to sit on. I wonder what this snake is looking for around me.
Are you serious?
This time, it's not just about the appearance. It struck Obidiozo. And as I'm talking to you now, he's dead. Obidiozo is dead and gone.
But I warned you. I warned you against going there, but you refused. Who knows? It would have been you. But may the gods forbid.
There you go again, Kim. What are you insinuating?
My husband, use your tongue and count your teeth. Onye Chukwu na-azọ na-azọ onwe ya. The gods just saved you.
The snake is here. The python.
How do you mean?
The snake.
What's that shot?
Has fallen. Hi, Father. Hi, Father. Hi. If I not appear. No! So it is true. No! Hey! Irokada.
So it is true.
Hey.
It is true. It is true.
Ozetua. Hi. Hey.
Oh no. So it is true.
Ezioku. 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 Hey.
The great Hiroko has fallen.
The king has joined his ancestors.
He has fallen.
May his soul rest in peace in the bosom of the gods. Next thing is to plan on how to lay the king to rest But before then, we must prepare for the burial rites. Inasmuch as we must choose among the two sons who becomes the new king. Hey! Ikwanacha wala bibi ejinere mu n'ike ọkọ ọkụkọ ihe na akwanacha bara aba malụpụ ome igwe amalụ na mmụọ. Hey! Na mukwana!
Not cry again. If you cry like this, what do you want me to do? How do you want me to feel? It's hurting me deeply. What do you want me to do? Don't cry so you won't fall sick, Mother. Please. I do not want anything to happen to you. I don't want you to fall sick. If anything happens to you, where will I go to? What will happen to me? No, Mother, please be strong for me. Please. Please be strong. Please don't cry again. Yes, we will all miss him. I know. But please, I am here for you. I am here for you, Mother.
Ọsara ya gbawa nkụta ọkụ were okpiri chere ya maka na ikwikwi siri isi nwa ya na-atụ ya egwu ọ bịabụ ihe mụrụ ya ma njebe njenje jeluo ya n'isi chawele ebibi ejidere dị m n'ike eze ọkala agwa mara na mmụọ. Hey! Ọkwa alụ na chemere ebibi mara jidere m n'ike. My children, you have all seen what we are facing in this kingdom. Indeed, it is a big blow on our faces.
My children, Ikenga.
Oh no, I hear you.
We all know why we are here this morning. We are here to decide among both of you, the two sons of Eyisi, who will man the throne of our forefathers. Ikenga.
Oh no.
Have you heard anything from the Ezemo?
Yes. According to our tradition, when a king dies, the crown disappears into the evil forest.
Yes, it's true.
And the first son will be sent to the evil forest in search of the crown. When he picks up the crown and comes back with the crown, he will sit on the throne as the king of the kingdom. But this time, this case is a very controversial one. Igwe has two sons. On a market day, the two sons of Igwe shall be sent into the evil forest to search for the crown. Whoever that returns with the crown automatically becomes the king of this kingdom.
Ezioku. Being that as it may,
I will advise both of you to prepare yourself both physically and spiritually as you embark on this journey. It is not an easy one. It is not, I must tell you. But then, you must go. Do you understand me? Do everything humanly possible to get the crown. Because if you don't, this throne remains empty. Ikenga.
I know.
What the Ezemo said is the right thing. That's our tradition. That's what that he told you is a very correct thing. So please, you now decide. In fact, our fate is in your hands. It's in your hands. You know what to do.
No wicked and good. No wicked and
Rubbish! I won't take this nonsense!
Son, what is it? Who got you angry?
Mother, imagine Ikenga telling me that it's left for the chief priest to decide the procedure of who sits on my father's throne.
So, it has come to this. After his late mother took my husband from me, he wants to start dragging your right. Of course, that will not happen. That will not happen when I am still alive. It's fine. Son, go and rest. Allow your mother to sort it out. I will sort it out.
Obi, it's okay. You have to calm down, please.
My husband.
Kim,
How did he go?
Yezemo will tell us the procedure.
Oh, okay.
Sit, my love. Egu, my brother. This one, you are in my heart. We just left the meeting.
Ugochukwu, am I not allowed to visit my brother's house again? Now that our father has passed on, you know, it is you and I that are men in this royal family.
You have spoken well, my brother. Please come and sit.
No, I am not here to sit. Actually, I am here for us to talk. Can we talk under the tree?
Very well. Let us go. My brother, Egu, this one you brought me out here, I hope all is well.
My brother, all is well. I just want you to do something for me. And I know you will do it.
Something? Very well. I'm listening.
Ugochukwu, I want you to tell Onowu that you're no longer interested in the throne. Brother, allow me be king. And I promise to give you whatsoever that you want. Please, brother.
Egu, my brother. I can always give you the support you seek if the gods chooses you. But I will not go against the will of the gods.
And what is the will of the gods?
Allowing the gods to choose a king for our kingdom. Egu. Egu.
can see that Ogochukwu does not want peace. Since you don't want peace, I shall give you pieces. A stubborn fly, they say, follows the corpse to the grave. You want to play dirty? Then let's play dirty and see who wins.
All I can see is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself an evil. What you see in your mind every day is wicked.
Obi, you look worried. How did it go? What did he say?
Imagine my brother asking me to leave the throne for him.
What? And what did you say?
I am not the one to decide.
Good.
It is the gods that chooses. And that is what I told him, and he got angry.
You have done well, my husband. But I still need to warn you. You have to be very careful. Your brother is evil.
There you go. Please. I am hungry. I need to eat something. Okay? Just go and make something for me to eat.
All I can see is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself an evil. What you see in your mind every day is wicked.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings.
Greetings, my beautiful wife.
My princess, please allow Mbechi go to the farm and get me garden egg leaves.
Very well, my princess. Bechi,
yes, my princess.
Go and attend to my pretty wife.
Okay, my princess. Thank you very much. Hey, go back. Go to the kitchen. Go and make me roasted yam immediately before I scatter your life. Excuse me? Excuse who? I just sent her on an errand. You have to wait for her to come back. Of course she has to go on an errand for me first. I am the superior here. I am the queen to be. So she has to accept my order first. Meaning what? Meaning that you are nothing. You are nothing to this place. I am ahead of you. And what makes you think that you are ahead of me? Oh, you don't know, right? Oh, obviously you pretend not to know. My mother-in-law is the first wife of the late king, not your stupid mother-in-law. So she is superior to every one of you. Do you understand me? Anyway, I don't have time to banter words with you. Mbechi,
yes, ma'am.
Go and get me what I asked you. If you step an inch, if you move, I will tear you into pieces. Try me. Mbechi, I said go and get me what I asked you. Where are you going to? Stay there. Stay there. Masiri. What? Masiri. Masiri. Move. Let me see where you want to move to. Go and get me what I asked you to go and get me. Go! You're not afraid, Abby? You're not afraid? Stay there. Stay there. Who you talk? Are you mad or something? How dare you slap your co-wife? Masiri, you are overstepping your boundaries in this palace. And I promise you that one day you get what you want. What is wrong with you? Masiri, yes, slap me. Now slap you again. Masiri, Imamola.
My beautiful wife, please do not retaliate. The elders will settle this matter.
Enough of this rubbish. Enough! Oh yeah, go and make me that yam. Fast! Stand there. She goes nowhere. Come and continue what you were doing. Okay. See you. I'll deal with you. I don't know
what is wrong with her.
Masri and Olamma, we heard what happened between the two of you a few hours ago, and we decided to summon this meeting. Mbechi, tell us exactly what you know about what happened between Masri and Olamma.
We were...
Speak! What is a man? Nobody will kill you. Speak!
Olama asked me to go fetch her garden egg leaves from the garden. And then Masiri came.
Poala, you stupid! How dare you call me by my name? I will skin you alive, don't worry.
She insisted that I should go and roast yam for her. While the argument was going on, the next thing I heard was a heavy slap. Masiri slapped Olama.
My elders, that was exactly what happened. Right before me.
Ichie.
We don't expect such fracas in this palace, especially now that the king has not been led to rest. This is not good. And Masari, you must apologize to Olamma now, immediately, for it is not good. What you did is quite wrong. Do that immediately.
Quick!
Sorry.
Sorry. If you like, explode. If you like, explode. And let this be the first and last this will happen. Are you mad?
I had you.
Ow!
Anyway, we shall trust this out when the elders will meet again. But this is not called for. This is very, very bad. You can go.
Thank you, my elders.
A snake may not be so quick in its movement, but in its dullness lies the true colors of its venom. Masiri has touched the tail of the snake, and its venom she may not withstand. My chi shall lead me to take a sweet revenge, tit for tat.
The snake is here. The python is there.
Masiri, what are you doing with the royal crown?
I don't understand. Huh? This crown belongs to my husband. The throne belongs to him. You should go and tell the Ezemo and the cabinet members that you are no longer interested in this throne.
Why should I do that?
Because my husband is meant to sit on that throne, not you, lowlife.
Now, go back and return that crown where you took it from.
And if I don't, what will you do? Tell me, what will you do? Eh?
Do you want to destroy yourself?
It is you that will get destroyed, not me. Masiri, the destruction starts now. Snake! 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 Ah! My leg! My leg! Ah! Ah! My leg! My leg! My leg! Up him! Up him! Ah! Ah! My leg! My leg! My leg! Oh! Snake! 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 My leg! Ah! Oh! Oh!
Huh?
Sorry.
It was just a dream.
Okay, you scared me.
It was just a dream.
It's okay. What was the dream about?
I
I was standing in front of the throne, so I collected it to bring it to you. Ugochukwu stopped me, and then he started arguing with me. Before I know it, Olama came. She turned into a snake, and she beat me. Can you imagine?
It's okay. It's just...
Ah! Obim! 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 Ah! Obim! My leg is paining me. Obim, my leg is paining me.
Sorry.
I feel some kind of sensation. Yes, I feel hot.
Sorry.
Obim.
Can't take a copy, eh?
Sorry. Please. It's paining me. It's Olama! That girl, she's a snake. Ah, my leg is paining me. Ah, Obim!
Sorry.
Obim!
Yes, I'm coming now.
Mother! Mother, please come out.
Okay. What is it?
Mother, my wife is in trouble.
Trouble? What kind of trouble?
According to her story, she was in a dream fighting with my brother's wife, Olama. And suddenly, Olama transformed into a snake and bit her leg. And she woke up with a burning sensation on that same leg. As I speak to you now, she's groaning in pain.
Okay. Go and take care of her. I'll get some help.
Did you see my wife? No, my friend. Did you see my wife? No, my friends. Help me check for her. Where have you been? I've been searching for you.
I was pressed. I went to ease myself.
I've told you never to go there alone. Tell me or go with the maidens.
Oh, Bim. The king of my heart. It's okay. Let's go back to our hut.
Let's go.
The snake is here. The python. The snake. Oh yes, the snake is here again. The python. Ooh. The snake.
Ash. Sorry, you'll be fine.
What kind of attack is that?
It's hurting me. It's paining me. My leg.
Sorry, don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? Sorry. Do you need a massage on the leg?
No. What she needs is what I'm doing now.
Mother! Mother, take it easy.
Sorry.
Sorry. You'll be fine, okay?
You'll be fine.
May the gods save the powerless. May the gods save the powerless.
Mother, please. It's paining me.
Sorry. Gods of our land. Masiri, what happened to you?
Stop it! What are you doing here? You evil. You want to know if I am dead, right?
Masiri, this is unfair. Stop it.
What have I done to you? Masiri, must we fight all the time?
Get out. Get out from here, you this witch.
Me? Witch? My husband, did you hear that?
Masiri, what is the matter with you? Why are you calling my wife names?
She's the cause of my predicament.
And how is she the cause of your predicament?
You should ask her. Ask her, she will tell you about this. She knows everything about what happened to me. Masuri, stop this. Stop this unnecessary accusation and get well first.
It's okay.
Kim, did you hear what Masuri said?
What else does she have to say? She is looking for someone to blame for her misfortune. She is filled with hatred and envy.
She said you turned into a snake in her dream and struck her. And that is the affliction on her leg.
So she's having pain on her leg because a snake struck her in a dream?
That is what she claimed.
All of this sounds like a fairy tale to me. So a snake struck her in her dream. Okay. We all know that evil can wear a familiar face to strike.
Exactly my point on what I've been telling you about your dreams.
My dream? No. You see, these two things, they are not the same. My dream and her dream are not the same. What is it? Is anything the matter?
Kim, do you know anything about snakes?
Meaning what? So you're now taking sides with them? Okay.
I'm sorry. Kim, I'm sorry. I did not mean to get you angry. I'm only confused.
How can you believe them over me?
I'm sorry, I do not believe them. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Let's go.
I'm going to.
I'm going home. Father, Omasiri is very sick. And from the look of things, she's going to die and they're already suspecting me.
Why do you always forget who you are? The power to heal is already with you. Why must you always rush back to me for everything?
Father, is it not better for her to die?
Olamma, you don't have to forget that your mission is that of love. And anyone who is embarking on the mission of love, no matter the provocation, must always show love. You have to heal her. Heal her to show supremacy over her. It is only by healing her that you are going to stamp yourself. And I want you to stamp yourself.
She is very stubborn, my father.
And you need that supremacy to stamp yourself. You are going to go back. On your way back, I am going to give you the idea of what you are going to do to heal her.
Okay, Father. Very well. I think I should be on my way now.
Do not forget who you are.
Ah! Ah!
Mother, this thing is getting out of hand. What do we do? It's okay.
Ah!
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
Mother.
Mother, what do we do?
I can heal her.
Heal who? May the gods forbid you. You cannot heal me. Go away from here, you witch! Leave me alone!
Masiri, she said she can heal you. Why not give her a try?
Over my dead body will I drink this poison? You have failed. You want to kill me quickly, right? You have failed! Go away from here, mother! Mother, let her leave! Let her leave, mother!
Olama, can you please leave? Leave at once, please!
Olama, you heard her. She said she doesn't need your healing. Just leave, please.
Okay, my queen.
Yeah, she's gone now. Okay? Just calm down. Just calm down. Calm down, okay?
It's okay.
Masiri, let us not make mistake here.
It might not be true that Olamma is a snake. You only saw her transform into a snake in your dream, not in real life.
Let us not forget that evil forces might wear familiar faces.
Just to cause confusion. Please, let us be careful before jumping into conclusion.
Obi, mother, please. You have to take me out of here. Please, we have a powerful seer and a healer in this kingdom. He has every power to unravel this mystery. Take me out of here. Take me out, please.
Just be calm.
Okay, it's okay. Mother, please, let's take her, okay?
Just wait.
Masiri, it's okay. Calm down. You'll be fine.
God!
The snake is here. The python. The snake. Oh yes, the snake is here. The python.
Dikeh Nugo, I got ya, Ugo, you go for you. Dikeh Nugo, hey, Ugo, you go for you. Dikeh Nugo, I got ya, Ugo, you go for you. I was not what I was told you to say, what I was told you to say, and I'm not going to say, I'm not going to say, what have you got to do here? If you don't leave here right now, if you don't leave here, I will destroy you! You!
Ajofia! I know you're a powerful seer and healer. And I know that you can see, even as a blind. I struck you dumb and blind because I don't want you to reveal anything about me. I am very harmless. But I can be dangerous when you step on my toes. For whoever steps on my toes can never go unpunished. I will return you to your normal self. And make sure you tell no one what happened here today. For even before you do, I would have struck you dead.
What is happening? Thank the gods. Thank the gods. Hey, may the gods be praised. Hey. So that is the great goddess of Unwacha? Hey! Ndi achokwa kafa bili maka binye na nse. Ndi achokwa kafa bili maka binye mo na nse. Mana oman lelofa. Oman lelofa. Oman lelofa. Oman lelofa. Oman lelofa. Oman lelofa. Ajife na onu uto. Ajife na onu uto. Ajife na onu uto. Hey! Njase gwe Simon teje naba.
Mother, what is wrong with him?
I don't know. Why is he acting blind and dumb?
He wasn't blind. He wasn't dumb. What's going on?
Let's go.
Ah, my leg, mother. My leg. Oh, it's paining me.
I know, but there's nothing they can do.
The snake is here. The python. The snake. Oh yes, the snake is here again. Ooh. The snake. May the land of the spirit give us help by this world.
You people can go back to the palace. Thank you.
Give us the strength that we find is better for us.
Brother, mother, what happened? You came back so quick. Didn't you see the great Ajofia?
Mwamo, what I saw today is bigger than me. We saw him. But we discovered that he has become blind and dumb.
Mother, I do not understand. This sounds strange to me.
Very strange.
Since when did the great Ajofia become dumb and blind?
We did not even end there. We took her to other notable healers, but none of them could tell us what happened or could even heal her.
This story is not a good one. It's not a good one at all.
Ah! Oh, mother.
Master is sorry. And her condition is getting worse. Sorry. Sorry, it's okay.
Oh yes, the snake is here again. Ooh. Is there?
Princess,
Greetings, brother.
you look worried. What is it?
Maseri's condition is getting worse. Each minute that succeeds the other.
But my wife wanted to heal her with some herbs, and she rejected it, calling her names. Is that good?
No, it's not good. But please, we'll talk about that another time. Where is your wife?
She's not around.
Greetings, Olama.
Greetings, Princess Isioma. You look unsettled. Is anything the matter?
Please, you need to come to Maseri's rescue.
Her condition is getting worse. She's dying. Please, I do not want her to die.
Princess Isioma, how can I help someone who does not need my help? You saw what she did the last time I volunteered to help.
Masiri is my brother's wife. She can be annoying and arrogant. Please, can you give me the herbal recipe you wanted to use in healing her? Let me give it to her myself. Please. I don't want her to die.
It's okay. I wouldn't want her to die. If she dies, what will I gain? Wait. Let me get the recipe. Here it is. Just give it to her and she'll be fine.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Assam,
Dear Mama,
you've done well.
what can I do?
Ah! Obima, mother. Ah! Oh, good. Oh. Ah. Oh. Mother.
Sorry. Sorry, mother, this is getting out of hand. What do we do? Huh? Mother, she's jacking.
Jacking what?
Mama, what is doing, Mama?
Masiri,
please.
What is that?
Mother, I prepared these herbs for her.
Who taught you how to prepare herbs?
Desperate times demand desperate measures. They also say that necessity gives birth to invention.
Very well then.
Just drink.
Masiri, sorry.
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 Open your mouth, okay? Just take something. It's okay.
No.
It's okay. It's okay.
What? Sorry.
Mother.
What is she doing?
Assam.
What is happening?
Assam, what is going on?
Okay.
Masiri. Mother.
Who did this?
Masiri.
What is going on?
Isioma.
Where did you get this from?
Isioma.
Huh?
Who gave you this?
Where did you get it from?
Olama gave it to me.
Ola what?
Ola, give it.
Olama.
You've killed my wife. You've killed my wife! Adam, wake up.
Isioma. Isioma, what have you done?
Mother, there will be war! You want to stand?
But it caused me bruise!
You can walk.
I don't feel any pain.
Don't feel any pain.
No, I'm okay.
Mother.
May the gods be praised.
My princess, thank you so much for healing me. Thank you.
I did not hear you.
Then who did?
Or you want me to give glory to the gods? But
it was Olama that healed you.
What? Olama did what? May the gods forbid!
Your condition was getting worse. So I had no other option than to seek for her help. So she gave me the herbs to give you.
No. No! You shouldn't have done that. I should have rather died than to allow that witch heal me!
Stop calling her a witch! If she was a witch, she would not have healed you.
She didn't heal me. She didn't heal me. She only...
Stop it. I said stop it! Why are you like this? You're such an ungrateful soul. Instead of you to appreciate that innocent woman for healing and bringing you back to life, you are here condemning her. After all, you are the one who started this whole fight. You started it. You hurt her so much. You humiliated her before the guards and the maids, before her subjects, and that made her chi to fight you back. Masari, you have to apologize to Olama and appreciate her for healing and bringing you back to life. I will take my leave.
All I can see is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate.
Hola!
You have made yourself.
Hola, ma.
What you see in your mind.
Princess Isioma. Greetings, Olama.
Greetings.
You are a powerful healer. Your recipe did wonders. Masari is back on her feet.
All thanks to the gods, because they made it happen. Although Masiri and her husband are a bunch of ingrates.
I understand how you feel, but do not mind them. It's quite unfortunate that my brother got married to a bad wife. A bad wife that has become a bad influence to my mother and my brother. She's always looking for trouble. You are such a good wife. Ola, please, I would like you to teach me those healing recipes that you know. I believe you know a lot.
I will teach you, but not now, because I need to go and cook for my husband.
All right. There's no problem. Thank you so much for bringing her back to life.
All thanks to Chuko Kiki.
Okay, I'll take my leave.
Let's go because I'm going to the kitchen to cook for my husband.
The snake is here. The python is there. Oh yes, the snake is here. The python.
My husband is there.
Okay.
How did it go? What did Ezemo say?
The SMO said my brother and I have to journey into the evil forest in search of the crown. Whoever that finds and comes back with the crown will become king.
It is not going to be an easy journey. But you must prepare yourself, both physically and spiritually. You must be at peace with your chi. Make some sacrifices to your chi, so that he will lead you through and grant you luck on this journey.
My love, thank you very much for your words of advice. I will do everything you said. I am so lucky to have you around me. I mean, what could I have done without you?
My husband, don't worry. Everything will fall in place. I always pray to Chukwokike to grant you your heart desires. I strongly believe that one day you will become the next king of this kingdom. Only if you believe that you have household enemies.
Kim, there you go again. There you go again. I may have enemies, but not household enemies. We have been living in peace ever since our childhood, even before I married you. Please, stop using these words of hate. I don't like it. I don't. Get me food to eat.
Only if he knows the battle I have been fighting for him. May the gods protect him, because the powers I have may not be enough to protect him.
I said you should get me food to eat. What is it? Or are you still looking for something to say?
All I can see is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself an evil. What you see in your mind every day is wicked. Tibo, he will not see tomorrow. I don't want him to leave. Tibo, he will not see tomorrow. I don't want him to leave. He will not see tomorrow. I don't want him to leave. You allow evil to take over you. You allow bitterness to take over you.
Mother, even the one that was beaten by the snake died in my presence.
Since that is the case, that means you will be going for fortification. I have to take you to Ebuigwe, a dreaded native doctor. Because this whole journey is a journey of life and death. It's a journey for the brave-hearted.
Mother, the native doctor has to unravel the mystery behind that strange snake that always appears when it is time to strike Prince Ugochukwu. Yes, it has to be done. It has to be unraveled because the battle is still on.
Ebuigwe is not just an ordinary native doctor. He's a dreaded sorcerer as well. He will ravel every mystery. Then he will fortify him and teach him how to conquer the snake.
Mother, that would be a very bold step. We must do everything in our power to make sure we secure that throne. And I will take the bull by the horn in making sure that I sit on the throne of our forefathers.
Yes, indeed. The throne is ours. The throne is yours.
Ikwu yo n'ebe na nkịtị. A sị na udene ebe aja anụ. Udene ebe aja anụ. Mana achụ aja afụ ya udene. Ịma na ife mere n'obi ndị mmụọ. Anya fụlakwa udene na anya fụlakwa udene afụga awụlụ ndị mmụọ. Aka kpala eze ka udene okwu mmụọ chiri ya ọzọ. Na udene kalaka na amapụ ozu afọ. Na udene gbola bụ nnukwute mmụọ. Alụpụ a na-afụ ndị mmụọ. N'isi rabu n'ọnụ, n'isi kote bụ ọgbọ ya, n'isi na-ebu ogidi, ma n'isi ebu ka na-erie ya. Na si na wada agba ọsọ efife na nkịtị. O nwere ife ọ na-achụ, mana o nwere ife na-achụ ya. What do you want?
Great One. This is my son. He will be journeying to the evil forest with his half-brother in search of the crown. We all know how dangerous the evil forest can be. Any of them that brings back the crown will be the one to sit on the throne of our forefathers. So I have brought him for you to fortify him and prepare him for the journey of life and death.
Great One, we beseech you to unravel the mystery behind this particular snake that always appears each time I'm about to strike my half-brother. I want you to tell us what that snake represents and how do I conquer that snake.
Na asị na ọ bụ na agwọ emela ifo ji bụla agwọ, ụmụ nwaanyị ga-ewere ya kee nkụ. Na agwọ niile ji wee bụla agwọ ma na-enwere eke nwọfịa. Na agwọ tụrụ mbe na tụrụ okpokoro. Ụkwụ ji agụ mgbada bịa ya ụgwọ. Mkpakana ga-ama ọzọ ma n'ọzọ ga na ọlịla ọjị kpa anya nkụ maka na adị arịa ọjị kwata. Na ngwere lile ọjị abụrọzi nwa. I am going to fortify you for the great journey. You may go and conquer. Maka no soldier that gives you fella. The snake that usually appears has a strong bond with your half-brother. That is why it always appears whenever he is in trouble. But I will give you something that will scare away the snake from your presence, so that whenever you want to strike your half-brother, it will not have the capacity to hurt you.
That would be great.
Now, kneel down. Osakusa riogu magana. Oriogu magana. Osakusa riogu magana. Oriogu magana. Osakusi mani riogu magana. Riogu magana ejuano. Okirikiri ka na buko se na hari uko se enu. Na si nebe nwata na ebe akwa arụ aka nne ya nọ hema na nne ya na ya. Osakusa riogu magana. Oriogu magana. Osakusi mani riogu magana. Riogu magana ejuano. Na si nebe nwata na ebe akwa arụ aka nne ya nọ hema na nne ya na ya. Your hand. Na ya kalaka na heri ngwuro. Na si na agbalụsịa ngene ekulu ngene ṅụọ. Nkiri ka na-ekiri ododo na eji ododo ni ozu. Agbalụsịa ngene ekulu ngene ṅụọ. Arụpụ a na afọ ndị mmụọ. Take this. Make sure it is always in your body. With this, no snake will come near you. No matter how dangerous or powerful it is, but make sure that unclean woman does not touch it. Safeguard it jealously. Ogumaga na sinya manji na kanoko na agba n'ikpa. Yari igi je ngala. Dikeh. It shall be well with you. Ọ ga-adịrị gị mma n'eke. Ọ ga-adịrị gị mma n'orie. Ọ ga-adịrị gị mma n'afọ. Ọ ga-adịrị gị mma na nkwọ n'afịara nụ n'ụbọchị n'anọ.
My chi, I come to you that you may connect me to the gods to protect me and grant me victory. I shall go into the evil forest and come back alive. Any evil that will stand my way will cease to be evil, but a blessing unto my life. Whoever that plans evil against me it shall return back to him in folds. Obiala igbu m ga-egbu onwe ya abụla ajọ ọgwụ. Chizọba m. Nkem? Yes. Bidigo.
Nkem? Nkem, what is it?
Obim, I'm worried. I'm worried about the journey ahead of you. I don't want anything to happen to you. I cannot afford to lose you, Obim.
Obim, you're not going to lose me. Okay? Igwe has already fortified me. He gave me this bracelet to scare away the snake. So you don't have to worry. I will go and come back. I promise.
But that doesn't mean you should relax.
Obim, I am not relaxed. But I know that I will go and come back. It is me, your husband. There's one. I will go and come back. And when I return, you are going to be my future queen. My Lolo. I love it when you smile. Stop crying. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. It's okay. I don't want anything to happen
Nothing
to you.
will happen to me. It's okay. I can't wait to see you sit beside me as the queen of this kingdom.
Obim, dear Mama,
Okay.
as you embark on this journey, may the gods go with you. May your chi go with you. No evil eyes shall see you. Any evil eyes watching you shall go blind. You went with your legs. You will come back with your legs. You went into the evil forest alive. You will come back alive. May your going to the evil forest bring us good fortunes. Maha Chukwu Okike Abiama.
We all know why we are here. As you all know, our late king cannot be buried without the crown being here. And these children are going to the evil forest to look for it. Both of you will go, and whoever gets it will automatically become the king. But then it won't stop you from being your brother's keeper. You are not going to fight each other. As you go, may you go in peace.
Ise.
May the gods continue to be with you.
Ise.
Ezemo.
Oh no.
This is the time for the fortification.
Both of you, step forward. Go. Conquer. Go. Conquer. Go. Conquer. Go. Conquer. Oh no. Hand me the guns. These are hunters' guns. These guns are be fortified. They are fortified enough to keep both the human and the spirit. You. May the gods of our land be with you. May you go and conquer. Go and conquer.
You can go.
Make sure you come back with the crown when you get there. Make sure you do everything in your power to come back with the crown. Please. Kill, destroy, scatter anything that stands on your way. I trust you because the crown belongs to you. Be it human or spirit. Destroy, kill. I trust you.
Take care of mother.
I will. I will.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
The gods are your strength. Don't be afraid of anything. And make sure not to trust anyone. Not even yourself. Okay? But trust in the strength and the grace that the gods have bestowed upon you. Go and conquer.
My utmost prayer is to see you both come back alive. Your journey into the evil forest is not to compete with each other. But
Enough. Come, son. I wish you well. Leave no stone unturned.
Yes, mother. You know you are my lions. One thing should always be in your mind. That whoever gets the crown will automatically become the king. But then, it won't stop you from being each other's keeper. Now go. And may the gods be with you.
Say. May the gods save the powerless. May the gods save the powerless. We need an angel that will save us from evil hands. From evil hands. Obodo no nebo. The bite. Obodo no nambari. The snake is here. The python is there. Oh yes, the snake is here again. Ooh, is there. May the land of the spirit give us help in this world. Cause we can't fight alone. We can't do all this alone. We can't fight alone. God help us. Give us the spirit that we fight this battle for us. Oh, 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 oh. May the gods save the powerless. May the gods save the powerless. We need an angel that will save us from evil hands. From evil hands.
Please keep quiet, let me make it. Do you want it tight?
No.
Okay. Jidea, is it okay?
easy now.
I'll leave it to.
Please.
Keep your head.
Do you know why you're...
I'm doing it, Jerry. Okay. It's nice now, huh? Okay. Is it too tight? I'll leave it to. Just wait, let me do it. Welcome there.
No.
Thank you. I'm trying to make her head. Keep your head well. Keep it well.
The two princes have already set out for the journey.
Yes, so we know.
Journey to the evil forest is not an easy one. It is a matter of life and death too.
Yes. May the gods see them through.
He said...
Keep your head.
So who will you love to become the next king? As for me, I choose Prince Ewu.
May the gods forbid. Why would you choose such an arrogant prince to become the king? If he becomes the king without his wicked wife, he will become a tyrant.
Yes.
Their subjects will become slaves.
Bam.
As for me, I prefer Prince Ugo.
Bam.
He's so gentle, so accommodating,
and
so flexible with a heart of gold. When a good man sits on the throne, his people rejoice.
Bam.
I would love Prince Ugo to become the king.
Me too.
But I don't like his wife.
Why?
Why? Because she's a snake.
Obiozo.
Aseleka.
You.
You
and this your mouth. Huh? You. You see this your mouth. You're talking carelessly everywhere you go. Anorokwamia.
Okay. I'm not here when you say this.
Mama.
Everything you're saying, count me out.
I am not.
It's like you have overstayed your welcome in this palace.
Yes.
But I
know what I'm... Shut up! Shut up! Look, don't you know the leaves have ears? I'm only telling you this way. You're not hearing. Keep this your head. Yeah. Keep it. Keep it. No. I should not flag it.
Yes, because I'm saying the truth.
Father, what about our sister Ola? Is her husband fine?
I know you are both worried about your sister, but there is no reason to be worried. Everything is under control.
Father, I can't help but feel troubled. What if the humans overpower her?
You ask as if you don't know who she is. Have you forgotten your sister is a goddess? Mortals may only try. They cannot succeed over the gods and the goddesses. Your sister will come out. She will come back in one piece.
Who are you? And why are you standing on our way?
I am the queen of the forest. This is my territory. Anyone who walks into this forest must recognize me.
And what do you want if I may ask? Huh?
You must make love to me, one after the other. If you must have your way.
You lie! We will not do what you ask us for because we are not indebted to you. We do not know you and we owe you nothing. See, whatever you call yourself, you better get out of our way. Else, I will show you. And when I'm done with you, you have no place to exist again. So get out.
You must make love to me. If not, you can never have your way.
Don't fire.
Why?
These are the angry spirits. Do you remember the fairy tales our mother used to tell us? Once being shot at, they'll keep multiplying.
So what do we do?
Run.
We should run?
Yes, run. Get your shield, let's go. Get your shield, let's go. These spirits are inescapable. I think it's time we use our guns on them.
Wait. Are you not the one that said when you fire them, they will multiply? Can you not see that there are 3 now?
So what do we do?
I have my flute. According to fairy tale, the sound of good melody calms their anger down. Just watch me.
Hey! They're gone. What? I told you. Tired. I think we should camp here and rest.
Yes, because I'm tired too.
Oh.
she go to? I saw her here. I saw her here. Where are you, witch?
One name. You are healed and strong now.
I feel much better now, brother.
I know. Thanks be to the gods.
Can we proceed?
Yes.
So, which direction should we go? What do you think? Let's go this way.
This is the crown you both are looking for.
Soma, what are you doing here?
You have been favored by the gods. The gods have chosen you to be our king, to rule our kingdom.
Egu, this is not Isioma. She is not your sister.
Ogochu, what are you saying? Can't you see her? Huh?
That's my sister. Egu, I swear by the gods, she is not your sister.
Are you saying that you know my sister better than I do?
Huh? That's my sister. I am telling you that she's not. She is not Isioma.
Do not mind him. Of course you know he does not love you. I brought the crown for you. Come take it.
Don't go.
I'm going to be king.
Don't! Egu!
So that was what happened today, Mother. Immediately I was trying to hurry into the compound. I saw her in her hut eating. Someone I left in the bush because I know that she did not leave before me. Can you imagine? All of a sudden I saw her eating. What's going on?
She is not ordinary then.
That's what I've been complaining about. She's not ordinary. I keep having several dreams. That's why I had to follow her up because that lady, I don't trust her. I don't trust her at all. Eh? And now my dream is coming to reality after all.
Wow. Could she be the snake that always comes to her husband's rescue?
You don't need a soothsayer to say so. She is a snake. A very dangerous one at that.
Yeah. Ugochukwu married a snake.
Yes.
Hey!
Prince Ugo married a snake. He is living with a snake. May the gods forbid that.
Hey!
Eh? Mother, I think someone is eavesdropping us. Hold on, hold on.
Did you see anyone?
No, but I'm very sure that someone was eavesdropping. Very, very sure. Mother, we're in trouble. We are in serious trouble. And we have to act fast.
By the powers conferred on me as the Onowu of this kingdom, I crown you Prince Ugochukwu, AEC II of Mkporogu Kingdom. Eke, Oye, Afọ, Nkwọ, Igwe. 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 Kunya. Yeah. Yeah. Bien. Yeah. One. Yeah. Igwe, you see the second of Mkporogu Kingdom. Ekenemi. Igwe. Igwe.
Hey!
What is the meaning of this?
Evil men!
What is the meaning of this?
Will you shut up your mouth?
What is it?
This evil man killed my husband in the forest and took away the crown. And you evil men decided to crown him. Today marks the end of it all.
It's okay, calm down.
Today marks the end of it all.
Calm down, calm down.
Over
Calm down.
my dead body.
Olama.
Will you rule me
please.
over
Olama.
my husband?
Don't.
You killed my
Olama.
husband. May the gods forbid you. Ah! No. It was just a dream. It was just a dream. It was just a dream. It was just a dream.
All I can see is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself.
Mother, I'm scared.
Scared of what?
I had a bad dream.
A dream?
Yes. In that dream, my husband found the crown and Prince Ugochukwu killed him and snatched the crown from him. All of a sudden, the Onowu and the elders made Prince Ugochukwu the king. And then I bashed into the throne room. I carried my hunter gun. When I tried to fire Prince Ugochukwu, all of a sudden, Olama shot me to death, and then I woke up.
Well, it was just a dream. I mean, there is no way my gallant son would be coming back with a crown and his half-brother would shoot him. Mbano. It was just a dream. It was a dream. You don't need to be scared.
Mother, from your own point of view, it was just a dream. But you cannot underrate the strength of any man. I know my husband is very brave and gallant. But you see that Prince Ugochukwu? He's so calm, he behaves like a dove, but I know he might just turn out to become a lion. He's desperate, he's dangerous. I don't trust him.
I understand your fear, but you don't need to be afraid. Remember, your husband was fortified by Egbe. We all were fortified. Your husband is beyond human destruction. What if an emena? Your husband will be fine. It was just a dream.
All right, mother. I know everything is possible. My husband will be fine.
He is fine.
Egu have to run! You have to run!
May the God save the powerless. May the God save the powerless. We need an angel that will save us from evil hands. From evil hands. Obodo no the python. Obodo no the snake is here. The python is there. Oh yes, the snake is here.
You have found favor. The sign of God. Son of Amadia, I want to have favor in you. You are highly favored. You are the chosen one to ascend the throne of your forefather. Your meekness has brought you favor. Look by your left. Look. You will see that bitch is sick. Look! Go! 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 Come! Go! Go! From the crown. Yes, it's real. The crown. Yes! Yes! I found the crown. I found the crown. Egu, my brother. I found the crown. Come, let's go. Egu! Ah! Egu! Egu, my brother! Come, let's go! I found the ground! I will be the next king!
O gods of this land, I beseech you to make me be in the spirit whenever my husband is in trouble. He has no power of his own to defeat his enemies. His enemies are always ready to kill and destroy him. And the powers you gave to me, they are limited. Please, do not let him see shame. You see?
The crown. Ego, I found the crown! Found the crown, brother! Yes! You found the crown! Yes! You are going to be king, Ugochukwu! Yes! You are going to be king, Ugochukwu! Yes! Come on! King Ugochukwu! Yes, it is time to go home. It is time to celebrate! Let us go home! Let's go home! We will rule our kingdom together! Let us go home! King Ugochukwu! We are coming home, brother! Let's go! I found the ground!
To my husband. Nothing. My husband. Why can't I see them? Why am I not seeing them? What is going on? What is going on? Where are they? Where are they?
All I can see is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate. have made yourself an evil. What you see in your mind every day is wicked. Tibo, he will not see tomorrow. I don't want him to leave. Tibo, he will not.
Why is it taking them too long to come back? What is happening? I hope they are safe because I'm worried.
My daughter, you don't need to be worried. I'm sure that my son will bring that crown back. He will come back victoriously.
Issei.
Just calm down.
May the gods protect them.
Issei.
You allow evil to take over you. You allow bitterness to take over you. Lotekwa no buma ne sinamala. Buronye kunenuwa koga gorokwa. Amaka mkweto na nenuwa omanto fembozo. Kibaga dimwa hijimbo. Orena pande mochi. Lotekwa nochi ndimo nibakwa.
Mother! I told you. I told you.
I brought home the crown.
I told you.
Abim!
My son. Mother, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
I knew you would make me proud.
Egundeze.
Nke izizi.
Amụma mmiri.
Nke mbụ. You're welcome.
I'm home.
I'm happy you made it.
Thank you.
So I am going to be the queen of this kingdom.
Say it again.
I am going to be the queen of this kingdom.
Say it again.
I am the queen of this kingdom.
You are going to be my queen. Oh. Ugochukwu nwanne. My brother, he fought. He was brave. But unfortunately, he was devoured by a lion.
Hey. It is okay. At least you came back with the crown.
But I thought I was going to rule as king with him.
Hey. Oh.
My brother!
It's okay. At least you have the crown. At least we have the crown. You will be the king. Oh?
Yes.
I'm so proud of you. Cheer up. Cheer up.
It's a pity.
May your days be long, my king.
Mother, did you hear that? Say that again.
May your days be long, my king.
Say that again.
May your days be long, my king.
Mother! I am going to be king. Egundaze! Amụma mmiri!
Father, the worst has happened. Father, Egu is back, and my husband did not come back with him. Father, they've killed my husband. What do we do?
I knew you were going to come here complaining, and that is why I am waiting here for you.
What do we do? They must not win, Father.
He is not dead.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Okay.
He was actually shot at, but I have prevented his spirit from joining the other world. You have a duty.
Tell me.
Go back.
Okay.
Go back and call back his spirit. Call back his spirit. From deep down your own spirit. Call back his spirit. Do that.
Okay, Father. I have to go now. Thank you.
Mortals will always continue killing themselves. They will always continue showing wickedness to themselves. Ultimately, they are going to destroy the world wherein they live, and they will begin to look for where to run to. But nothing must ever happen to the one who is under my protection. I will always go all out to protect him or her.
Ah! Obim! 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 Ah! No! Where do you think you're going? Go back! You cannot just die like that. Odogo Cable, you must fulfill your mission on this earth. Obim, go back. Go back! You cannot just die like a chicken. Go back! You have to go back. You have to be king. You must be king. Go back. Obim! Obim! Go back. Go! Go back. Go back and fulfill your mission on earth. Go back and be king. Why? Why will our prince just die like that? Why will our prince die like that? Why would he die? What is it? Why are you crying? Talk to me. Kediyo. Prince Sugu is dead. What? How? Kotso, Kediyo Meya. He died in the Igbo forest. But how did you know that? Huh? How did you know that? Are you not in this palace? Why are you asking me that kind of question? I'm sorry. I slept off after cooking. So, I don't know. Talk to me. Prince Egu is back with the crown. Hey, yeah. He came back with the crown. What happened to Prince Sugo? What killed him in the forest? Prince Egu said he was devoured by the lion. Lion kwa? What kind of story is this? Tell me. Lion.
I thought they were fortified.
Oh. Lion. No, I call lion. Get a lion one Batago ni. Batago.
Chai. That's our quiet prince just died like that.
I'm tired though. I'm tired though.
Oh yeah, stop crying.
I can't stop.
Ebezina.
I'm tired of this palace.
Oh no. Egwu ndị eze ga-abụ eze.
Egwu dị egwu.
Egwu ndị eze ga-abụ eze.
Nwoke ike. Egwu.
Oh no.
Onye chi esi na ọ ga-abụ eze ga-abụrịrị eze.
Oh no, it wasn't an easy journey. Oh no, we battled spirits and wild animals on our way to the evil forest.
Hey, I forgot. I thought as much.
It wasn't an easy journey.
It won't.
But oh no, unfortunately, I lost my brother, Prince Ugochukwu, my only brother. He was brave. He fought alongside me as a warrior. Unfortunately, he was devoured by a lion. I tried to save him, but I couldn't. They killed my brother. Oh, when I thought he was going to rule alongside me as king.
It is all right. It's all right. It's all right. Huh? It's all right. The gods knew why it happened. The gods know why it happened that way. Wow. We should even be, talking to the gods so that the spirits of the departed young man will find eternal rest in their bosom. So,
Egwu.
Yes.
You're already a king.
So, what will happen now is that you need to prepare. You need to prepare yourself, prepare your wife, because in the next
Eke Market Day.
The fourth Eke Market Day.
Yes. And we
are going to cry.
We must let Ezemo know that.
We must let him know. We're going to crown you the king. And of course, your wife, the law of this kingdom.
We have to leave for now so that we begin to prepare. You can't go no.
Okay.
Igwe na onwe ya.
Egwu
dị egwu ndị eze. Egwu dị egwu na ndị eze.
I am going to be the king of this great kingdom.
You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself an evil. What you see in your mind every day is wicked.
Kim, how did you get into this forest?
Obi, it's a long story.
But you saved my life. Where did you get such power from?
Like I said, it's a long story. I'll tell you as soon as we get out of here. Let's go. Let's go. Just give me your hand.
You allow evil to take over you.
Obim.
Kim.
Obim, just go. I'll come as soon as I'm done, okay? You have to go. The elders are waiting for you. Just go.
Kim.
I'll join you later. Go before it's too late. Go, Obim. Obim, listen to me. Go. The elders are waiting for you.
Kim.
It's okay. You'll be fine. Just get going. Get going. I'll join you later.
Kim.
Go. Obim, go!
Kim.
You allow evil to take over you. You allow bitterness to take over you. Lotekwa no
You are alive. People of Nkologu Kingdom. Prince Ugo is alive. Mother! Mother! No, you are dead. You are dead. No! No! No, he is dead. He's not meant to be alive. He is dead. He's not meant to be alive. No! No, mother! He's supposed to be dead! You are dead!
More. Everything worked perfectly. I went into the evil forest and I came back with a crown. I am going to be the future king of this kingdom. So I brought this little token just to show my appreciation.
My prince, I promised you that your journey was going to be successful.
You said that.
Maka n'obodo telaka nwere ndị ọ dị nso. Nice one. Ewu ata m igu n'isi.
What is it?
The amulet has lost his powers. Did you hug any unclean woman?
Modi, the only person that I hugged was my mother, my wife, and my sister.
That means it's either your wife or your sister was unclean when she embraced you, and the amulet lost its powers.
You have to replace it. You have to replace it.
My prince, there is fire on the mountain.
What is it again?
Your brother is alive.
That can be possible. I personally killed him in the forest. I did.
His wife raised him from the dead.
How could that be possible? Is it that she has some kind of powers or something?
His wife is not an ordinary person. Now I am saying it clear. She is a snake goddess. As a matter of fact, she is the snake that always comes for your brother's rescue each time he is in trouble. As I'm speaking to you, your brother is at home and ready to reveal the secrets.
Let's strike him.
fine. Eh?
I'm going to leave this palace. This palace, please.
Cannot use it. It has to die. I feel pain too.
I don't want to stay here again, no. I don't want to stay here again.
Wipe your tears.
I don't want to stay again. I don't want to stay again.
So you people have not yet.
What?
Ago Jeremba Abatago. Prince Ugochukwu has returned from the journey.
Bafo, what is this now, eh? Are you joking or what?
I'm not joking. Prince Ugochukwu is alive.
Are you sure?
Okay, if you are doubting me, then come with me. We'll see by yourself. Let's go. Let's go. Prince Ugochukwu is alive. Let's go.
I am sorry. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Please don't hurt me. I am a prince. I am of royalty, please.
Ego!
Huh?
You think you're the only one that knows the way to wickedness?
Olama, please.
Today marks the end to your wicked reign.
Olama, please forgive me.
See that throne? You will never smell it.
Olama, because sorry. Olama, because
Oh no. Ikenga.
My son.
I was the one who found the crown. I heard the voice of the gods. They gave it to me. On our way back home, my brother shot at me and took away my crown.
It's a lie. How dare you lie?
If what he is saying is the truth, how and why are you still alive? My husband shot at you with a gun and you are still alive. How is that possible?
But brother, where is the wound sustained from the gunshot? Because there is no gunshot mark on your body.
Prince, yes, I'm on the same page with her. Oh. If you were shot at, show us the wound of the gunshot.
Oh no, I had already died when my wife appeared from nowhere and healed me of the wound.
Ikenga, have you heard this kind of story before?
Another story for the gods. Since when did your wife become a healer? To the extent that she healed a wound of a gunshot. With which herbs? Even if she healed you, where is the scar? Show us the scar, liar!
Strange. Strange. This whole story is very, very strange.
Say, Ezemo must hear this. Dad! Go and call Ezemo. Ezemo must hear this.
He needs to be here.
All I can see is wickedness.
The story is strange.
All I can see is evil.
Ibani Bakulo, 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 Ibani Bakulo. Ah!
Ezemo.
Ah!
Ezemo. And the gods, you are here. You see what is happening in our land. Everything is scattering. Look at this palace. Please, do something.
Yes, Ezemo, we actually sent for you. We sent for you so that you can help us unravel what is happening in this kingdom. We don't have anything to say. Everywhere is scattered.
Nwata kotu nyote na arunye, nwata kotu nyote na arunye, mana kotu nyinte na ọgbaka. Ọkwa abakata onye asị afịa n'anya, ife melu bende agwazila mmekwe.
Abi, what happened to you? What happened to you? Abi, what happened to you? Abi, because what happened to you? Abi, what happened to you? What happened to you?
Hey! My brother, forgive me, please. What is it? My brother. Pico. Speak up now! Speak up! Before the gods will devour you.
Hey! Oh no!
Hey!
Oh no! I shot at my brother. Because of
hey! So you shot at me? Ego! You shot at me! Hey! Ah! What wrong have I ever done to you? Even when you were stung by a scorpion in the forest, I was the one that saved your life. Ah, Egu, Afotalogi, you are so wicked. Are you not supposed to be my brother?
My son.
Egu,
it's alright.
You planned it. But Obialibum get one way. Obialibum get one way. Egu. Wicked brother.
Everything I did was out of greed. I wanted to be the king. My wife and my mother, they were a bad influence on me, Pico, one name. I have done so many ill things to you. But each time that I want to eliminate you, Chigana no go. Ew.
Hey, oh no. This. He wanted to kill his brother right inside the forest. Just like he said, Obialibum gave away Obara Jogu. Kimanka. Kimanka. This is the choosing one. What this? It's an abomination before the gods. Take him to the evil forest. I have spoken. You.
Somebody help! Somebody help!
I will be the king!
I don't know what has happened to her.
What happened to her?
I don't know.
My wife! He came. What is wrong with you? What happened to her?
I don't know. I was in the kitchen cooking. I was her shouting.
Kim. Kim, wake up. Kim, wake up. I'm back.
Lola.
Kim, I'm back now.
Lola.
Please wake up.
Hey.
Kim.
What is wrong now?
Kim.
What kind of sleep is
She's
this?
not talking to me. Kim.
What kind of sleep is this?
Kim, please wake up.
She's sleeping.
Kim.
She was shouting before.
She was shouting. Allow her to be. She has gone back to her Mecca.
Meaning?
My king, you were married to a snake goddess.
Snake!
Yes.
Kim, snake!
Fear not. Snake. My king, fear not. She has been the snake protecting you, fighting for you all this while.
she meant no harm. She came for a mission, and that mission has been accomplished. Today you are a king. The ace is second of Umbologu. Fear not, for she has helped you to achieve your aim. Look at her, sleeping beauty.
Snake! Is it more snake?
This is the great snake goddess. Just like I told you, you were married to a snake goddess. We greet you. Peaceful goddess, we greet you. Thank you for helping us achieve this feat. Thank you. Thank you. My king, fear not. She came for a mission and she has accomplished it. Farewell. Farewell, my goddess. Farewell. Farewell. You have seen it.
No, you can't please.
My king, you will rule. You will rule with vigor. You will rule the great AEC. All hail the king.
Because we came.
Mistake is here. Is there? Ooh. Is there? May the land of the spirit give us help in this world. Cause we can't fight alone. We can't do all this alone. We can't fight alone. God help us. Give us the spirit. It's here.
Mother!
Come. What is this? Eh?
Mother, my brother just came back and he was bitten by a snake.
A snake?
Yes, mother, he was bitten by a snake. And he confessed that it was Prince Ugo that found the crown. And he shot Prince Ugo and took the crown from him. Then Olama went to the evil forest and revived Prince Ugo. Mother, that's not all. After confessing, my brother slumped and died.
Sorry. Who slumped and died?
My brother.
My son.
Yes, mother.
My son.
He's dead.
My son slumped and...
Mother! No! Mother! Mother! Mother, no!
Your sister is back.
Olama is back.
Your sister is back.
Mother!
You are welcome.
Thank you, Father. I couldn't have done it without you.
Mission completely accomplished. Even when you are dead in the world of mortals, here you are, back in your own world where you are indestructible.
Thank you, Father. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you so much.
Come here. My beautiful daughter.
Thank you, Father.
Let's go.
Okay. Father.
Oh, Lama the goddess. Mission accomplished.
May the God save the powerless. May the gods save the powerless. We need an angel that will save us from evil hands. From evil hands. Obodo no nebo. The python. Obodo no nembari. The snake is here. The python is there. Oh yes, the snake is here again. Ooh, is there. May the land of the spirit give us the helper in this world. 'Cause we can't fight alone. We can't do all this alone. We can't fight alone. God help us. Give us the spirit that we fight this battle for us.